guys, this is our second day in Hong Kong. We go back to Macau tonight. So yeah, now we are going to the beach, the Moon Beach. We are going to the Moon Beach. Again, so welcome to my channel. We are here in Sai Kung. We are going to Half Moon Beach. So finally I'm here again in Sai Kung, and you know what guys, I live here in Sai Kung for 4 years, so it's good to be back here. So welcome. We are going to
Half Moon Day. So
yeah.
our pass.
Yeah.
So our boat will be around 11:30.
11:30.
So we will stay there for almost 2 hours.
And then we back to Macau tonight, guys. So we stay in Hong Kong for 2 days since Wednesday night, and tonight we are go back to reality in life in Macau. I live in this area. We are going here, guys. Half Moon Bay.
11:30 daw. Or 11:30, okay lang mo mo. Ayan. And then
yeah, the Pulse Gang. Are you the Pulse Gang, Napoleon?
how are you feeling right now?
Yeah, it's such a nostalgic day. Yeah. Call 93575698. We are going to Half Moon or
Kitty boat.
Kitty boat. At the Kitty boat in this area. Oh, let's go to the Moon Beach. Sa gitna. Yeah. So welcome to Moon Beach. Oh yeah. But we do not go there, guys. Slippery. Yeah. So welcome. Finally, this is my third time to come here, guys. What time is it? Is 11:45, and here akin. Okay. Okay.